and I see that the hinges are already broken. So what we did is we placed an order online for a replacement of these hinges for us to be able to make this laptop work again by extending its back panel at its own. Alright, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's Tutor right here, and today I will be showing you a tutorial on how to replace the hinges of this laptop. As you can see here, this laptop doesn't hold this back panel anymore because of the broken hinges. So it doesn't mean that if this laptop is not able to hold the back panel, the problem is already with the hinges, because we need to check and to physically look for whatever cause why the back panel could not stand alone by itself. So in this case of this laptop, actually guys, the problem is with the broken hinges, because I have already assessed that the back panel is already okay, and I see that the hinges are already broken. So what we did is we placed an order online for a replacement of these hinges for us to be able to make this laptop work again by extending its back panel at its own. So before we will proceed with that one, I would like to thank you for the continuous support to this channel. Now it's not just me, it's not the videos, but this channel, because you are guys so very important for us. So guys, thank you very much for subscribing, and if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. So guys, we have here this kind of laptop. It's a Dell brand, and the model number is Inspiron N5040. So we will proceed with the process on how to replace this one. So stay tuned and let's do this. The laptop model we have here is Dell Inspiron N5040. I will be showing the process on how to replace its broken hinges. Watch closely as the back panel is unable to stand on its own. First, we will unpack and prepare the new set of hinges we bought online. Visually check the physical appearance of the new hinges to confirm that this will work fine. Now, we need to uninstall the laptop's battery as shown in this video. Then, we need to remove the screws at the bottom side as shown here. To remove the top cover, we need to remove the keyboard first as shown here. There are other screws that we need to remove on this side as shown here. Now we can remove the top cover in a manner shown here after we have disconnected the flex cables of the power button and the touchpad from the motherboard. At this point, we can have access to unscrew the base of the broken hinges. Don't forget to unsnap this part right here before attempting to separate the back panel from the main body of the laptop. Disconnect the wireless adapter and LCD connectors from the motherboard. Now, gently separate the laptop's back panel holding the LCD from the laptop's main body. At this point, unsnap the LCD frame to expose the hinge screws we need to remove. Just follow the steps as shown in this video. Now, install the new set of hinges accordingly. Reposition the cables on the new hinges before reinstalling the back panel to the main body of the laptop. Just do the previous processes in this video in reverse, as shown here to completely reinstall the laptop's components. So guys, those are all the processes and the steps on how we are able to change the hinges of this laptop for it to be used normally as it was before when it was bought as a brand new one. Okay, so thank you very much for your time for watching this video, and again, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for you to be updated for the new videos that we'll have in the future. And if you would like to request some contents that we could possibly make, please don't forget to comment down below. Okay, it's Tutor right here, always saying stay safe and have a great day.